chiquita,
fresita,
para esta chacha bonita,
loquita,
cuánto amor, chiquita,
rosita,
el sabor del amor, chiquita.
Tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. Wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around. Say
thank you, candidates, for special number. There is a saying that God is between the greatest empty. I managed to alias for first year I think.
My name is Mark Davis Aluba, representing the World of Freshmen, saying, today is yours, but tomorrow is mine. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vivian Villanueva from first year Amicus. Reach for the stars because even if you fall this Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Marlena L. Guerrero from 2nd year Emerald, and I believe in the saying that self-confidence is the key to the universe. That's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone! I believe that destiny is not a matter of chance but a matter of choice. This is Paul Biatulan, a sophomore student, saying have a good day and enjoy life. Thank you.
Pleasant good afternoon to all of you. My name is Catherine Corton from 3rd year Sapphire. I believe in the saying that loving ourselves first is the best way to conquer obstacles. Because when all else fails, it's only ourselves who can stand up and overcome hindrances by the guidance of God. I thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Christian Ganese Catral from 3rd year Sapphire. I believe in the saying that man cannot discover new ocean unless he has the courage to the side of the shore. Thank you.
Afternoon to all of you. I therefore stand here just to talk but to speak. I believe in the saying that if you have educated a person, I therefore stand here not to talk but to speak. If you educated a person, you educated a man. If you educated a woman, you educated a family. Sarah Nicole Agustin from 4th year Diamond. That's all. I thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Adrian Phil Bimanoy from 4th year Diamond. I believe trusting yourself, confidence, believing God is a key to success. I thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Marjorie De Lunalias, 15 years of age, came from the 4th year Diamond. I believe in the saying that opening our heart can make like a living fountains of water in the midst of a thirsting world. That's all, and I thank you.
Hi, I'm Kevin Aaron Rodriguez of 4th year Diamond, and I believe in the saying, a man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. That's all. Thank you.
We got swagger, but we kick them to the curb unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody get